Hello everyone, this is my review of this USB to USB cable. The cable is 2 feet in length. It's USB 3.0 male to male type A to type A design for devices such as hard drives, laptops, DVD players, TVs, USB hubs, monitors, and more. The cable is built to last and has a sturdy construction that withstands everyday use. It works perfectly with a wide range of devices that makes transferring files and connecting a breeze. Overall, this cable is a great addition to your tech accessories, and I highly recommend it for its quality and performance, and I hope this review helps.